Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable on-body detection in Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and find the lock screen. Okay, tap this. In lock screen, okay, you can see the smart lock is disabled. And okay guys, to enable the smart lock, you'll have to do is go to screen lock type, and the screen lock type is set and to swipe. And to enable the smart lock, you'll have to do is change the screen lock type. Okay, tap the screen lock type and set into pattern, pin, or password. And okay guys, select one of these screen lock type. And okay guys, I select the pattern. Okay, tap the pattern and create the pattern. And okay, pattern saved. Then after you create, tap the continue button below. Then draw the pattern again to confirm it. After draw the pattern again, you'll have to do is tap the confirm button. And okay guys, the notification setting is show, and okay, tap the done button below. And okay guys, here we have successfully enabled the smart lock. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap the smart lock and draw your current pattern. Okay. And okay guys, here in smart lock, you can see the on-body detection. Okay, the on-body detection is keep your device unlocked while it's on you. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap the on-body detection. And okay guys, here in on-body detection, you can see the use on-body detection, and on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the on-body detection, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And the pop-up are show. And okay guys, here, keep in mind, on-body detection can't distinguish between you and someone else. If someone takes your device while it's unlocked, they might be able to access it. And okay guys, tap the continue button. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled the on-body detection. And okay guys, to disable again, okay, you'll have to do is tap the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully disabled again. And okay guys, I decide to enable the on-body detection on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, after you unlock your device, it stay unlocked while it's in motion. Like when you're walking with it, your device will stay unlocked for up to 4 hours until you put it down. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled on-body detection in Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.